Hello students, in this video, in this second video, in the first video we are seeing the introduction of the welding process. In this we will see the what is gas welding process. Okay, so this is the equipment related with that. Okay, gas welding. So various types of gas weldings are the acetylene welding, air acetylene welding, oxyhydrogen welding, pressure gas welding. These are the various types of the uh, gas welding process. Okay, what is gas welding? Gas welding is the fusion welding. It is what? It is the fusion welding or non-pressure welding method. We are not applying pressure. It is a non-pressure method. It joins the metal by using combustion heat of oxygen, air and fuel gas. Fuel gas are acetylene, hydrogen, propane or butane mixture. Okay. The flame thus produced causes melting and thus fuses together the edges of the part to be welded, generally by adding a filler metal. What I said is the flame thus produced, the flame which is produced causes melting and thus fuses together the edges of the part to be welded, generally by adding a filler metal. Okay. Now, first of all, as various types of gas welding methods are there. This setup is related with the oxyacetylene welding. You can see here oxygen cylinder here, acetylene cylinder. Okay, oxyacetylene welding. What is the principle of operation of that? The oxyacetylene welding system consists of two cylinders. One contains oxygen, and the other contains acetylene. For controlling the flow of gases, corresponding valves are used. For controlling flow of gases, corresponding valves are used. Different types of flames in oxyacetylene welding are neutral flame, oxidizing flame, carburizing or reducing flame. Neutral flame. What is neutral flame? It is produced when equal volume of oxygen and acetylene are mixed in the welding torch. Equal volume of oxygen and acetylene are mixed in the welding torch and burned at the tip of the torch. Okay. The temperature of the neutral flame is about 32,060 degrees Celsius. 32,060 degrees Celsius is the temperature of the neutral flame. Okay. The flame has a nicely defined inner core. The flame has nicely defined inner cone which is light blue in color and surrounded by outer flame in all. Okay. Then the flame is called as a neutral flame because it does not cause any chemical change in the molten metal and hence will not oxidize or carburize the metal. A neutral flame is mostly used for the welding of mild steel, aluminum, copper, cast iron steel. These are the uses of the neutral flame. Now oxidizing flame. What is oxidizing? How it looks? What is the application of this? After the development of the neutral flame, if the oxygen supply is further increased, then oxygen flame will be produced. When oxygen supply is further used, oxidizing flame will be used. It is recognized by the small white cone which is shorter, much bluer in color and more pointed than neutral flame. More pointed than the neutral flame. This flame is hotter than the neutral flame because of the excess oxygen which causes the temperature to rise up to 3480 degrees Celsius. The temperature is 3480 degrees Celsius. This excess oxygen causes the weld bead and surrounding area to have a dirty appearance. Hence, this flame has limited use in welding and not using the welding of the steel. And oxidizing flame is used for copper based metals, zinc based metals, ferrous metals such as manganese steel, cast iron, etc. Now we will see the reducing flame or carburizing flame, how it looks, what is the application of this, what is the temperature of this. If the amount of oxygen supplied to the neutral flame is reduced, then the generated flame will be carburizing flame or reducing flame, more content of the acetylene. It is recognized by acetylene ether which exists between the inner core and the outer envelope. Okay. This outer flame envelope is longer than the neutral flame. Okay, interference ज़्यादा है and is usually much brighter in color. A reducing phase and approximate temperature 2740 degrees Celsius. This flame is generally used for welding of alloy steel, rod, non-ferrous metals, high carbon steels. So this is the gas welding techniques. Various techniques are there. Left word. This is the left word or forehand technique. Left word or forehand technique. This is the figure. That's very much important. The examination point of view, you have to draw welding setup, various things with the directions, with the material, of the workpiece, the angle. Okay, things are important. Okay, so left word or forehand. Left word gas technique, left word or forehand, left word or forehand. राइट कौन कौन से लेफ्ट वर्ड, राइट वर्ड और वर्टिकल वेल्डिंग तीन टाइप में. ओके, तो सीखिए इससे पहले कि लेफ्ट वर्ड और फोरहैंड वेल्डिंग इसमें क्या होता है. देखिए, welder holds a welding torch in his right hand and filler rod in the left hand. Welding flame is directed from right to left. Okay, left वर्ड टेक्निक में क्या होता है, वेल्डिंग जो फ्लेम है, वेल्डिंग फ्लेम इज डायरेक्टेड फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट, डायरेक्शन ऑफ द वेल्डिंग from welding flame is directed from right to left. Okay, welding flame is directed. It's a filler rod. The welding torch is given a small sideways movement and the filler rod should be moved steadily without sideways movement. This technique is generally used on thin metals having thickness less than 5 mm. So we should see what is lift over technique, what is the movement of the welding torch, what is the direction, how it is going to move. Okay, so what is the application of this. Okay, now rightward or backward welding, देखो इसका डायरेक्शन क्या है, इसमें फिगर कैसी है, एंगल कितना है फिगर रॉड का, टॉर्च किसमें. ओके, ऐसी welding torch is held in the right hand of the welder and the filler rod in the left hand. The rod left hand of the right hand is a welding torch. But the welding flame is directed from left to right. Welding flame is directly from left to right में आ रहा है. Welding flame is directed from left to right. In this, the welding torch has no lateral movement. In this process, the welding speed is 25% higher and fuel consumption is 25% lower than the left word technique. So we stop here for this. We'll see in the further videos.